Health warriors, you're not alone in the fight against diabetes. It's a battle indeed, but one that can be won with understanding, determination, and the right tools. In the face of this challenge, empathy is our guiding light, reminding us that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Diabetes, specifically type 2 diabetes, which often springs from lifestyle choices. This is where insulin comes into play, a hormone that acts like a key, unlocking our body's cells so glucose can enter and be used for energy. But in type 2 diabetes, this system goes awry. Either our body doesn't produce enough insulin or it resists insulin's effects. Either way, glucose builds up in the blood, leading to high blood sugar levels. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding diabetes is the first step towards managing it. And in this journey, you're not alone. We're in this together every step of the way. Let's talk about the cornerstone of our journey, nutrition. The food we consume can either fuel our bodies or weigh us down, especially when we're battling something as complex as diabetes. To control this condition, it's essential to make dietary changes that revolve around low glycemic index foods, fibers, and portion control. Now, what does that mean? Well, foods with a low glycemic index release glucose slowly and steadily into our bodies. This means no sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Incorporating more fiber into your meals can also help manage your glucose levels and keep you feeling full longer. Portion control, on the other hand, helps ensure we're not overloading our bodies with more food than it can handle. It's all about balance. Balanced meals help avoid glucose spikes and crashes, and they provide a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Creating a sustainable meal plan, one that you can stick to, is the key here. Remember, the path to conquering diabetes starts at the dining table. Moving your body can make a world of difference. As we navigate the path to overcoming diabetes, physical activity emerges as our most loyal ally. But don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon or bench press your weight. The beauty is in simplicity. Regular walks around the block, a few minutes of stretching in the morning, or dancing to your favorite song, every bit counts. Physical activity doesn't just help control blood sugar levels, it also improves heart health, boosts mood, and enhances overall well-being. Plus, it's a great way to connect with nature or enjoy some me time. Now let's talk about creating an exercise plan. Remember, it should fit seamlessly into your lifestyle and align with your goals. Start small, maybe a 10-minute walk every day, and gradually increase the intensity and duration as your body adapts. Remember, it doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. Keep moving. Monitoring your progress is key, but let's not forget the bigger picture. As we embark on this journey to conquer diabetes, it's essential to regularly check our glucose levels. This provides valuable insights into how our bodies are responding and helps in adjusting our plan as needed, but it's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding our bodies and responding to their needs. Now let's talk about a holistic health approach. This isn't just about managing diabetes, it's about improving our overall health. Self-care practices such as meditation or yoga can play a vital role in managing stress levels, which in turn can affect glucose levels. Furthermore, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Restorative sleep helps regulate hormones, including insulin, and promotes overall well-being. Remember, the journey to health is comprehensive. It's not just about the destination, it's about becoming more in tune with our bodies and our needs. Health is wealth, and it's about more than just numbers. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. In our journey to conquer diabetes, it's essential to remember this. Every dietary change, every moment of physical activity, every night of restful sleep is a small victory that contributes to the bigger picture. It's these victories that keep us motivated and moving forward. However, we aren't immune to obstacles. We may stumble, we may falter, but it's in these moments that resilience becomes our greatest ally. It's not about never falling, but about getting back up each time we do. It's about learning from these experiences and using them to strengthen our resolve. Remember, the journey to conquer diabetes isn't just about the destination, but also about the path we take to get there. Each small victory is a step forward on this path. Every effort is a step towards a healthier, fuller life. Keep going, health warriors.